today's shave, I'll be using the Parker Safety Razor Adjustable Double Edge. Right now, this is set to 1. I'm going to set it to 2 to expose more of the blade and give myself a more aggressive shave. For those out there that keep saying, "What are you shaving? You don't have enough hair to shave." I have stubble that's very thick and very itchy. This card will demonstrate it via audio. That's itchy. Thanks to all of you out there, I get to do things like test out new soaps. This double-edged safety razor takes these replacement blades. This package of 100 blades costs about $12. This will give me 300 to 500 shaves. I'm going to be shaving before the shower. So to help, I'm going to pre-treat with a shave oil. This has African tea tree oil in it. Soak your shave brush for about 30 to 60 seconds. Looks like I'm milking a cow. As you can see, I ran water over the shave soap. Now it's time to load the brush with the shave soap. Shave brushes not only exfoliate, but they massage the skin and get it prepped for shaving. Facial hair grows in different directions. So for the closest shave, go with the grain, across the grain, and against the grain. Use lighter pressure. Shave up to go against the grain for a closer shave. I've shaved down go across. If you're not sure whether or not you need to shave another direction, take a little bit of shave soap, feel around for that little spot you might have missed. Right this way, going that direction. When shaving, this has a blade. This has a blade. Both can nick you. All it takes is maybe a little too much pressure, an imperfection on the skin, maybe tilt the blade the wrong way and get yourself. That's okay. Nicks happen, they're generally small and heal fast. Little nicks like that one is going to heal fast. You can use like a shave oil and some shave bonds. You can also use an alum block. An alum block is an antiseptic block that, when wet, rubbed on the skin, will help soothe the skin and heal those nicks. Now that the alum block is done, let it sit for about 5 minutes, rinse it off. My tips for a great close shave to reduce irritation and ingrown hair. Get a hot shower first, loosen up the skin, use a good shave soap, a good fresh razor, use light pressure. Thanks for watching.
Who are you?